Is your check engine light on? Well, watching this video could save you thousands of dollars. All you'll need is one of these guys. It's a contactless thermometer. One of the most common check engine light codes is a P0420, particularly with old Subarus like this. That doesn't always necessarily mean your catalytic converter is bad. It could be an oxygen sensor. You do not want to have to replace your cat if you don't have to. Or you could just remove it entirely. Not legal advice. There's a chemical reaction going inside of there. The chemical reaction releases heat. So in theory, the gas coming out of the catalytic converter should be hotter than the gas going in. If the gas is hotter coming out of the cat, then you know it could be an oxygen sensor, therefore saving yourself lots of money.
But that's the culprit right there. So let's take the temperature before. Okay, so that's reading 280 or so, 213. So that is indeed colder. So that would indicate that my catalytic converter is bad.
So unfortunately for me, I'm going to need to buy a new one, which sucks, but it's good to know for sure. And this little hack will tell you. Okay, the catalytic converter is back on the car after much struggle, but it's on there. Now I'm going to demonstrate what a working catalytic converter should do between the temperature at the inlet and the outlet. Here we go. So on this side we're getting, it's bouncing all over the place. 242, we were getting 332. That's what I'm talking about. About 240 to 330. It's almost 100 degrees hotter, so that cat clearly works. Let's check the back one. Okay, about 188, 189 going in, 200. Let's check the back side. 214, 220, 221. It's about 30 degrees hotter. So hopefully that'll shut my check engine light off. Well, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. The new cat's installed, and please like and subscribe for more future do-it-yourself projects. And I've also got something very exciting coming up that I think you'll be interested in. I am going to embark on a journey that involves completely renovating this garage. You'll have to stay tuned to see what I have in store.